Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water inlet valve in your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance and shut off the water supply valve. For better access, we recommend removing the outer door panel. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread all 4 screws, securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the panel down to detach. Using a 1/4-inch socket or a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the lower access panels. Set the panels aside. Use channel lock pliers to unthread the water supply line elbow fitting from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Use a 1/4-inch socket or a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the inlet valve. Disconnect the wire connector. Now use pliers to release the spring clamp to detach the outlet tube. Install the new water inlet valve by first attaching the outlet tube and securing it with the clamp. Connect the wire connector. Position the valve on the frame and thread the mounting screws to secure. Connect the water supply line fitting to the new valve. Realign the 2 access panels. Secure them with the 2 mounting screws. Reinstall the outer door panel by aligning it on the inner panel, then slide up. Thread the 4 mounting screws to secure. Turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.